As you can see, today we have a delicious chicken stir fry going down. Now let's check out the ingredients. Alright, so we have our peppers, we have our broccoli and carrots, we have our rice wine vinegar, we have sesame seed oil, brown sugar, salt and pepper, olive oil, soy sauce, minced garlic, red pepper flakes, chicken, cornstarch, and water. Check us out. Check us out. That chicken stir fry, baby. Yeah, that chicken stir fry. Now let's make it. Yeah. So we have our chicken cut up in a bite size. We have our kosher salt and pepper. Now let's just season that chicken. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And just mix it all in. Make sure everything is combined. Make sure all of the chicken got some salt and pepper on it so we get that flavor in that food, baby. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and start our slurry. This is going to thicken up your sauce. We got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water. Now let's just mix it up. Make sure all the cornstarch is broken down. That's our slurry. Go ahead and get our sauce together. Let's throw our water in there. We got our soy sauce. Now let's go ahead and get our sesame seed oil in there. Get it all in there now. Yeah. Alright, we're going to get our rice vinegar in there. Get that in there. Gonna get our ground ginger in there. And we got our red pepper flakes. Let's throw them babies in there too for that kick. Let's throw that brown sugar in there. And we just gonna whisk it up. Whisk, 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 whisk. Now let's go ahead and add our slurry we just made. And just mix that on in there. And make sure it's all in there. Mixed up. You don't want anything settling at the bottom. So just keep mixing it up. Now let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our wok pan, whatever you're using. And we're going to go ahead and throw our chicken in now. We're going to let that chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes till it's cooked all the way through. As you can see, we're just going to move it around. Just going to cook it. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Now let's go ahead and get this chicken out. It's ready. It's ready. Let's get it out. All right, now add you another tablespoon of olive oil in your wok. Throw your peppers and your onions in there. And we're just gonna saute those down for about a minute or 2. Get everything nice and sauteed. Let's go ahead and throw our garlic in there, our minced garlic, and we're just gonna whisk that around, move that around, saute that around for about a minute till it comes fragrant. Now let's go ahead and add our chicken in there. Same thing. Let's mix it up. Yeah, get it all in there. There it is. Now we're going to throw our broccoli and carrots. I already have them blanched, so they're not raw, so they're edible. They're not going to be hard. Yeah. All right, let's just get those mixed up as well. There we go. Just saute those down for about another minute or 2. And just, ooh, look at that. That's beautiful, baby. Let's go ahead and add our sauce in there. Yeah, there it is. There it is, chicken stir fry, baby. Just that easy. Now we're just gonna let it simmer. We're gonna turn down our heat to medium. And we're just gonna let it simmer. Let that sauce thicken up. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. Now let's plate it. Gonna throw that rice on that boy. We're gonna throw that delicious chicken stir fry. Look at that. Whew, man, good old meal. Look at that. There it is right there. Chicken stir fry, baby. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We have another dish under our belt. Let's taste it and see what we've done. We gotta look at it first. Look at that. Look at that beautiful plate. Yeah. Look at that. Whoo. Chicken stir fry, baby. Winner, chicken stir fry for dinner. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.